Well, it is officially the first day of exam review for you. It would be in regular class as well. I'm going to give you at least one full week of reviewing for exams that you might be able to adequately remember things. Now, exams are going to be a little bit different this year. Yeah, Ray's excited too about exams. And that's because we're going to be all online. I'm going to change up the questions so that you just can't copy-paste. But I'm going to give you the PowerPoints so you can study. And of course, it is open book. And I'm going to link the PowerPoints in the description of the video below. You're going to have a link to my Dropbox so you can view my PowerPoints. So that's really cool. If you didn't watch my intro video on the front page of the YouTube channel, why don't you go ahead and do that, because that's gonna show you exactly what's going on with exams. But right now, it's time to study chapter 7 on birds, and again, take a look at that PowerPoint, and I'm going to briefly go through this, just a couple of main points on birds. If you remember, birds are part of the class of Aves. Birds have plumage or Birds have plumage or feathers. They have 2 legs, or known as bipeds. Hollow bones. You have the largest flying bird, the Andean condor. You have a couple of birds' anatomy that are unique from humans, like the bill, the keel, the furcula, the alula. The bird's pectoral muscles make up 33% of its body weight. Birds have a unique crop, which is a storage sac, and a gizzard through which it grinds its food. It has many unique feathers, like the contour feather, the flight feather, and the down feather. It grooms itself through a process called preening, and it loses its Sorry, I'm still getting over this bronchitis. And it loses its feathers through a process called molting. There's different types of flight, like powered flight, gliding flight, soaring, intermittent, and hovering. Birds sing to attract a mate and to claim territory. They have various activities they do, like anting, dusting, mobbing, fighting, and rodent running. They migrate between 2 habitats. Birds lay eggs, and eggs have various things that are very important, like the yolk, the germinal spot, the albumin, and the shell. They also incubate those eggs to keep them warm in an area called the brood patch. They have different kinds of feet, like perching feet, scratching feet, climbing feet, and grasping feet. Swimming feet, sprinting feet, and wading feet. Some birds are altricial, which means they are featherless and helpless. Others are precocial, which means they have feathers and can act as birds right away. Some are raptors, they're carnivores. Some are scavengers, they eat dead stuff. You have the world's fastest bird, the Peregrine Falcon. There's also tropical birds, flightless birds, like the ostrich and the penguin. And that is kind of a 5-minute breeze through the PowerPoint. I hope you have a great day and happy studying. Today you're studying chapter 7. Tomorrow it will be chapter 8. Say bye.